yeah, this combo is rupees 2000 and I just bought in 500 rupees in Amazon lighting deal. Isn't it great? It's really... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sweety, and today I'm talking about the Amazon lighting deal. So that worth it or not? Let's see. Amazon lighting deal happens once in a month or any special occasion like Diwali, New Year and festive season. So I bought lots of stuff in Diwali in a lighting deal offers. There are some products. Lighting deal is not on all products or some brand products like Wow Cosmetics and Pack Cosmetics like that. So I have buy lots of things from the Wow brand because it's in a really high discounted on the lighting deal. So what is a lighting deal? Lighting deal is not that 50% off or that kind of thing. ओके तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जब आप प्रोडक्ट इस पे उसके एड्रेस पे लिखा होता है कि लाइटिंग डील में ये प्रोडक्ट है और आप इस पर क्लिक करोगे उसके बाद आपको 15 मिनट्स का टाइम देते हैं. अगर आप 15 मिनट्स में ये प्रोडक्ट बाय कर लेते हो देन यू विल गेट इन 349 रुपीज़. अगर 15 मिनट्स ओवर हो जाता है तो यू विल नॉट गेट प्रोडक्ट्स इन 349 रुपीज़. यू हैव टू पे 700 इफ यू वांट टू बाय. ओके, और इसके बाद दूसरी बार लाइटिंग दिन ये प्रोडक्ट पे आपके अकाउंट में नहीं दिखेगी जब तक नया ऑफर नहीं आ जाता तब तक. ओके, सो दिस इज अ वन चांस फॉर यू टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट इन अ हाफ प्राइस. ये सब पे होता है, ये सारी ब्रांड पे ऐसा नहीं होता है, कुछ कुछ ब्रांड पे ही होता है. और वाव की ब्रांड में स्पेशली बहुत बार मैंने देखा है अमेजन में कि हाफ प्राइस में आपको प्रोडक्ट मिल रही है. वही सेम प्रोडक्ट जिसकी प्राइस 700 है और वही प्रोडक्ट आपको 349 रुपीज़ में मिल रही है. सो इट्स वर्थ इट. इतना डिस्काउंट तो मैंने नायका और पर्पल.com में भी नहीं दिखा है जितना अमेजन में ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए वाव और बहुत सारी पैक कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड ऑल है. It's on for a certain brand. It's depend on a brand. They have to put their brand on a lighting deal or not. So it's depend on a brand. वाव प्रोडक्ट पे ऐसा डील चल रहा था जब मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट सारी बाय की. मैंने दिवाली में प्रोडक्ट बाय की थी बट आई एम डूइंग दिस हॉल रियली लेट. सो या आई जस्ट वांट टू से यू दैट लाइटिंग इट्स वर्थ इट. You have to buy it. You have to check Amazon on a weekly basis so you can get it products on a lighting deal like a 50% off or any discount. I am looking for this product from last 1 year. I am not buying because it's so costly, like a 700 rupees for this pack. It's not that costly but for a pricing I am not buying this. And I'm suddenly see the lighting deal and it's just 349 rupees for the whole pack of this. And yeah, so okay, so first product I bought is this is a Wow charcoal face mask and it's really beautiful jar. It's a really big jar, you can see. Okay, so it's come like this. This is a really nice charcoal thick paste but it's really creamy. I have used 2 times and it's really good. It's made like really luxurious and it's feel luxurious because it is a luxurious product. You will get in just the half of the price because of the lighting deals. So don't forget to check out lighting deals or Amazon to get luxurious product in the budget friendly prices. So yeah, it's really nice. I have done a separate video about this product, so don't forget to check it out. It's like and Wow, all the Wow products are paraben free, sulfate free and any chemical free. So it's really nice to use once and try it out once from the Amazon lighting deal. That's why I bought Wow products from Amazon lighting deal. You will never get this much discount in Nykaa or any other website. So it's best time to buy these things from Amazon lighting deal. That's what I have to say because it's really save your money. So okay, now next thing is from the Wow. This is also from the Wow, and this is a 10-in-1 miracle hair revitalizer. Hair 10 hair benefits: root to tip free stemming, hair breakage protection, less split ends, improve lipid barrier, hair fall control, higher strong roots, higher luster, intense hydration, dandruff control, and so many things in just. It's also a paraben, you can say cruelty 100% vegan, paraben free or sulfate free, all mineral oil free, and all these things. So it's really nice. It's come with this cardboard packaging. Okay, so it's come with like this type of spray bottle, and it smells really nice. I have used 2 or 3 times. What you have to do is like just part of your hair and just spray it on all over your hair. It will give you a really nice smell throughout your day, so it's really good spray also. Price of this is 514. I am getting in just rupees 249, so it's really good. Okay, next things from the Wow. Obviously, I'm feeling like I'm doing Wow haul, but not. I'm just showing you what I have bought in Amazon Nightingale. So yeah, next one is this. This is like really nice. I just love this thing. This is a Wow aloe vera gel. This is also paraben, sulfate, mineral oil, and any gluten, any cruelty free. So this look like aloe vera leaves, and that was, I love this. It's also feeling like a luxurious. Yeah, it's a 99% pure aloe vera gel, and it's really nice. Consistency is like pure white. It has no added color like any other aloe vera gel have the green color. It's the pure aloe vera gel has no color, you can see. So it's really moisturizing and blendable. It's not that itchy kind of things, so it's nice. It's hydrating gel. I love this. I love this packaging so much. Its price is 299, 300 rupees, and I got it in 149 rupees, just off half of the price. So this is the hero of this video. Oh, okay. If you want to buy this thing right now from anywhere, you will get in rupees 2000. Yeah, this combo is rupees 2000, and I just bought in 500 rupees in Amazon Nightingale. Isn't it great? It's really great. I am looking forward to buy this from last 2 years, but it's so pricey, like 2000 rupees, and that's why I'm not buying this product. But I mean, I got in just rupees 500, that's why I bought this, and it's really nice. I will do a separate video on it. It has 3 you can use. I have quite used this product. It's come like this cardboard packaging. It's feeling also luxurious. First step is, it says 3-step anti-acne. First step is this face wash, then the exfoliating gel, then the this serum. So these 3 bottles really look good for acne prone skin. Like I have a lot of acne, and I quite use these products. You can see this. That's why I'm putting a review video soon, so don't forget to subscribe. These pack also have the 30 days money back challenge guarantee. So yeah, if it's not working on your skin, it will they will give you a money back in just 30 days. So it's really good. I'm taking this 30 days challenge and giving a review that it's worth it or not. I hope you guys like this video, and don't like but help this video. So if you if in some kind it's helped around you this video, then don't forget to subscribe this round button, so my subscribe button. It's free, subscribe now, and don't forget to like, share and comment below. Bye.